What's up guys, I'm out with Alligator Performance, and today we're installing a Banks Monster Exhaust System on our 2018 Ford 6.7 liter Power Stroke. And this basically is what comes with the kit. We have our intermediate pipe, which we will trim down just a little bit for a short bed truck, but if you have a 4-door long bed, you'll leave the pipe to its full length. Comes with the over axle pipe that has welded on hangers. It also includes the bung that we will reinstall the factory knock sensor into. The tailpipe has the heat shield for the tire, and then also uses the Banks CoolCuff design to go ahead and drop down the temperatures, leaving your exhaust pipe tremendously. Kit also includes an oval-shaped black tip. Heavy-duty hardware comes with 3 band clamps, and also includes the gasket that goes between your DPF pipe and your intermediate pipe. So let's go ahead and jump into this thing. The tools needed for this install will include lubricant or penetrating oil, a tape measure, marker, and reciprocating saw to trim down the intermediate pipe, pry bar, ratchet or impact wrench, 15mm socket, a 24mm wrench, and a torque wrench. Starting off, we'll hit all the rubber hangers and the 3 DPF bolts with penetrating oil to allow for easier removal. Remove the 3 nuts holding the DPF and mid pipe together using a 15mm socket. Locate the knock sensor just above the rear axle. Use a 24mm wrench to loosen and remove that from the pipe. Using a pry bar, pop the hanger pins out of the rubber hangers and remove the tailpipe from the rear of the truck. Remove the gasket off the DPF pipe and reinstall the new supplied gasket. Using the Banks diagram, measure and trim the intermediate pipe to fit the truck's configuration. Our particular truck is a crew cab short bed, so we'll be taking off 16.2 inches off this pipe. Install the intermediate pipe and tighten with the supplied nuts. Insert a band clamp onto the over axle pipe and slide the hanger pins into the rubber hangers. Do not tighten down any of these clamps yet. We'll want to adjust the tailpipe and the over axle pipe accordingly to get the desired fit and angles. Slip the tailpipe section on and re-thread in the factory knock sensor. Install the last band clamp on the tip and insert the tip onto the tailpipe. Snug down the band clamps while adjusting the pipes to their desired location. Adjust the tip so the flat side is parallel to the ground and the tip comes out flush or just past the body line. Once the pipe section and tip are snug, run through and give all the nuts and clamps their final ugga-dugga or torque them down to 50 foot-pounds.